Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly.
खुशबू वेलफेयर में पढ़ता हूँ.
खुशबू वेलफेयर सोसाइटी.
To build up Khushbu, it was a Herculean task. We didn't have any human resource, neither we had any financial resource, and just three of us got together. We wanted to form a society. We identified like-minded people and registered the society called Khushbu Welfare Society. There was no guidance, there was no money, there was no infrastructure. There was a deep desire and an ambition to do something from the heart.
The community and the society has to understand that children with special needs are not of a totally different group or segment of society that need to be shunned, that need to be made fun of, that need to be ignored. These are children just like every other child in society.
All of us talk about empowerment. Sadly so, we don't look at the vehicles of empowerment. And unless and until it has right drivers, the vision of empowerment will be extremely invisible and it will never be achieved. To my understanding, the vehicles are knowledge, participation, inclusion and access. And it has to be, disability is one sector which has to be understood as a universal thing for and a universal human right. This is not a sector that can be seen in isolation.
Khushbu believes in the abilities of these disabled children, and that is the belief which pushes us to do better and more for the children, and it has proven in last 13 years we have been able to give that strength to these children and take care of them.
At Khushbu, a dedicated team of specialists address various functional disabilities that the children might have. The development of communication skills at an early stage is essential for the child. Physiotherapy plays a vital role in dealing with delayed milestones that most special children battle with.
Now he's Prince, just going to complete his 6 years next month. He's suffering from cerebral palsy, and along with that he's severe asthmatic as well. That's why we are working on his breathing exercises as well. जोर से शाबाश 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 शाबाश. Stand up, चलो. खड़े हो जाओ, शाबाश. Good, good, good. पैर सीधा करो. Good.
Parental acceptance of the child's condition at an early age will prevent deterioration and improve the possibilities of adapting to a normal life. With early intervention, the child may be able to walk and communicate with ease. This is critical for their sensory and motor development.
ये हमारा मल्टी सेंसरी रूम है जो हम ऑटिस्टिक और जो हमारे सेंसरी मॉड्यूलेशन डिसऑर्डर होता है उन बच्चों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। हमारी जो सेंसेस है ऑडिटरी, विजुअल, टैक्टाइल, प्रोपोसेप्टिव, वेस्टिबुलर, तो उनके लिए यूज़ करते हैं। तो इनके लिए हम इनको डिफरेंट टेक्सचर्स का देते हैं जिससे कि इनका टैक्टाइल का है थोड़ा थोड़ा कम हो जाए, और जो लो होते हैं उन्हें धीरे 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 टच देना शुरू करते हैं ताकि वो अपने एक लेवल तक आ सके। बीन बैग, और ये जो है अपना काफी, इसको ये देखिए।
Every child has a right to special education. At Khushbu, children are educated on the basis of their potential. A customized program is developed for each child and executed by a team of 6 professionals. Khushbu concentrates on teaching the children basic survival skills. The process of repetition helps solidify learning so that they are empowered to make the right choices. They are taught to make simple meals so that at no point do they go hungry if left alone at home. These life skills ensure that they are able to enjoy some independence and take care of themselves in the absence of their guardians. After learning how to read and write, the students move on to vocational training.
और ये बच्चे यहाँ फूलों की शॉर्टिंग कर रहे हैं। उसके बाद जो शॉर्टिंग करके देते हैं तो दूसरे बच्चे जो कटिंग कर सकते हैं वो लोग कटिंग कर रहे हैं। जो कैंची से काट पाते हैं वो कैंची से काट रहे हैं। जो बच्चा कैंची नहीं चला पाता है वो चॉपिंग बोर्ड से काट रहा है। और इसके बाद हम जब इसको कहाँ पे सुखाते हैं बच्चे? पंखे से हम ये सारा इसको सुखाते हैं, ड्राई करते हैं, और सूखने के बाद फिर हम इसे क्या करते हैं, पैकेट में डालते हैं, और इनके अलग अलग हम पैकेट बनाते हैं हाफ केजी का। और जब ये सूखे हुए जब हम इसको कहाँ देते हैं? दिल्ली में एक ऐसी संस्था है जो इसका क्या बनाती है? गुलाल। और जो कपड़े पे पेंट किया जाता है उसके लिए भी कलर बनाते हैं।
Khushbu believes that each special child has a skill. The idea here is to identify the skill and offer a platform for its growth. This enables the children to earn a livelihood, gives them a sense of pride and the chance to live life with dignity. The children at Khushbu make and sell a variety of products. This encourages them to continue to be contributing members of society.